Welcome to Authentic Walks. Arena AufSchalke, currently known as VELTINS-Arena for sponsorship reasons, is a retractable roof football stadium in Gelsenkirchen, North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. It opened on August 13, 2001, as the new home ground for FC Schalke 04. It hosted the 2004 UEFA Champions League final and 5 matches at the 2006 FIFA World Cup, including a quarter-final, and it will host 4 matches in Euro 2024. It has a capacity of 62,271, standing and seated, for league matches, and 54,740, seated only, for international matches. The stadium has a retractable roof and a retractable pitch. The naming rights to the stadium were sold on July 1, 2005, to German brewery VELTINS. Plans to construct a new stadium emerged in the late 1990s, as fans and managers sought to move out of the outdated Parkstadion and create a modern multifunctional arena. Following Schalke 04's historic 1997 victory in the UEFA Cup, and the club's upcoming 100th anniversary in 2004, the contract to construct a €186 million stadium was given in 1998 to the German construction firm HBM. The VELTINS-Arena was created as a multifunctional arena of 2 tiers that completely surround the playing field. For league matches, the north stand and parts of the guest fans section are left as standing rows, capacity 16,307, to accommodate the home and away fans, while for international matches, these are converted to seats, capacity 8,776. The VIP lounges form a ring around the entire stadium, separating the first tier from the second tier. On the main western grandstand, the VIP capacity is increased by a second level of lounges, directly beneath the main belt. Leading into the 4 corners of the arena are 4.50 by 4.50 meters, respectively 14.8 feet by 14.8 feet tunnels, which serve both as access for construction and assembly, and as ventilation for the interior. The VELTINS-Arena features a Teflon-coated fiberglass canvas retractable roof, which spans the entire stadium. The roof is supported by a rectangular truss that is suspended above the field, which is in turn connected to the main building via 24 steel pylons. The center of the roof can be opened into 2 halves, allowing for an opened or covered stadium, depending on weather and event. Hanging over the center of the pitch are 4 video screens formed as a cube, each with a surface area of 76 square meters or 818 square feet. Like the Sapporo Dome in Japan, the State Farm Stadium and Allegiant Stadium in the US and the Gelre Dome in the Netherlands, the VELTINS-Arena features a slide-out pitch. This has several advantages. The grass playing surface can grow under normal outside conditions without suffering from a lack of circulation and light as in other arenas. The football pitch is not damaged during indoor events, such as concerts. The floor of the multifunctional hall can be converted and retrofitted within a short amount of time. The outside area that is not occupied by the field can be used as parking facilities for buses during football matches. The VELTINS-Arena has hosted several national and international events, including the UEFA Champions League final of 2004, which was won by FC Porto. During the renovation of Rheinstadion in Düsseldorf, the arena served as the temporary home to the Rhine Fire football team playing in the NFL Europe in those days. Other events have included the Biathlon World Team Challenge exhibition race, stock car races, and operas. In June 2009, it was the scene of a World Heavyweight Championship boxing match between Vladimir Klitschko and Ruslan Shagayev, which drew an audience of 60,000. As mentioned, the stadium was one of the venues for the 2006 World Cup. However, because FIFA controls all sponsorship associated with its tournaments, including that of competition venues, the arena was called FIFA World Cup Stadium Gelsenkirchen during the time of the World Cup. In the quarter-final between England and Portugal, the team from the Iberian Peninsula came up as a winner on penalties, after the game score was 0-0 after extra time. The opening game of the 74th IIHF World Championship took place at VELTINS-Arena on May 7, 2010. At this occasion, the crowd of 77,803 set a then world record for ice hockey attendance. The host team Germany beat the United States 2-1 in overtime. The stadium also hosted the 2018 German Darts Masters. The event achieved a record-breaking attendance of 20,210, the most ever at a darts event. Over the years, the arena is also frequently used as a venue to host concerts with both nationally and internationally known artists. The best way to get to the venue is via public transportation, as the tramline 302 directly connects the stadium to the city's main train station through a 16-minute ride. From the main train, station visitors have access to regional and national rail services, with various destinations to reach by non-stop connections. Thanks for watching.